In this tutorial, we want to draw this impossible knot in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So I'll start by going to extensions, and then we go to render and go to triangle. Now in the triangle, we want to draw an equilateral triangle, so we give the size the same size. Can choose, I'm maintaining the 100 100 100, and the angles are 60 60 60, and the mode you can choose from 3 sides, and then we do apply. Now we get our equilateral triangle. I think I'll reduce the triangle size a bit. Okay, now the next thing I will do is that we go for our circle and ellipse tool, and then we draw something like this. Now as you see here, my circle has a very big stroke. You can get that by going to objects and going to fill and stroke, and then when you come here, go to stroke paint. So if you don't have a stroke, choose flat color, and then for the stroke style, increase it. I have about 5 millimeters. You can choose whatever you like, but make it big, like something like this. And then we want to remove the fill, so go to fill and then we remove the fill. Now let's change this to a path, so we go to path. We are dealing with a stroke now, so stroke to path. Now after that, let's bring this, we have to go, let's go here first, enable snapping, and then we want to enable snap nodes, paths and paths. Here press this thing, and then we enable this one, snap to caps nodes including rectangle corners, and then come here, snap other points, and then we want to snap the center of objects, so that I want the center of this ellipse to snap to the corner here of the triangle. Now I do a duplicate of this. You can do a duplicate by just going to edit and then doing duplicates. Now let's give the duplicates a different color for just visibility purposes, and now we'll rotate the duplicate 120 degrees. So go to objects and go to transform. This dialog box opens, go to rotate. Now we are choosing 120, and then we'll rotate. You can choose either clockwise or anti-clockwise. I choose clockwise to apply. Now move this and let the center of the ellipse also coincide with the corner of the triangle here. We do the same thing. We select this and then we do a duplicate of it. Now we give the duplicates a different color. Let's give it this color, something like this, and then we want to rotate it. So come here and do apply, and then move this here and let it coincide as well, the center snapping to this corner of the triangle. Now select the triangle and then delete it by using the delete key on your keyboard. Now after that, let's select everything here, and then we go to edit, and then we want to do a duplicate. Now click outside there, and then we want that we'll be now cutting it pairwise, and each time I want to be careful that the one which is clockwise to the previous one is lying on top of this one, so it's consistent. So I select this. I see that this is under this, so I don't need to do any move. I select this, go to shift and select this, and then I go to path, and then I do difference. Now let's color what I did a different color, so let's give it maybe this color here. Now come here and select this, and then check whether this is lying on top, which it is. Now go to shift and select this, and then go to path and then do difference. Now let's give that a different color. Now this one here, this yellow thing here is not the original thing we started with. This is what we have created. I want to reach the original thing so I can create a difference with this. So I select this and put it to the bottom. If you remember, we started with this blue one. The last one I want to place this down rather. This has to go down and this has to come up, lying on this. So I select this and then I put it up. Now this I now select this and go to shift and select this, and then I go to path and then I do difference. So now I have my three things nicely cut and joining together nicely. So let's look for the color blue that I used, and then we are going to give it a filter. So maybe I choose this one here. I give it maybe a lighter color, like maybe this. I choose this and then maybe give it this color, and then this I give it a bit of more blue, something like this. And now we go in and then we give them the filters. So I go to filter, I go to material and 3D this, and then I select this and then I do the same. I go to filter and then I go to materials and 3D mother pearl, and then this is the same. I go to filter, material and 3D mother pearl. So this is how you can generate an impossible knot in Inkscape. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, please help me by subscribing to my channel, and please give me a like and come again. Thank you. Bye.